So if I told you that there's a tool that could replace 3 of your employees, build you an app in an afternoon, speak 50 languages fluently, and think through problems better than most experts, would you believe me? Here's the twist. It's free, and you're already late to the party. Because while you're still thinking ChatGPT is for writing blog posts and other entrepreneurs are using other forms of ChatGPT, guess what? The real entrepreneurs are using ChatGPT-5 to automate their entire companies. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it. And if you stick with me until the end, you'll walk away with a plan to execute today in turning ChatGPT-5 into your business partner on autopilot. When ChatGPT first launched, people thought it was a complete gimmick, a fun toy for writing poems, believe it or not. Early adopters tried to convince the rest of the world, and most laughed. Fast forward to 2025, ChatGPT-5 is here, and it came in with a blast. And it's not just smarter than your average chatbot. This is a multi-brain AI system that chooses the right version of itself for the job, with up to 80% fewer hallucinations and accuracy levels that crush most human experts. The friction? Most business owners still don't know how to use it, which means there's a gap between those who do and those who don't, which is widening daily. So what's the mind-blowing upgrade between ChatGPT-5 and the others? It's this: reasoning AI for everyone, even free users. It literally thinks step by step like a strategist. 94.6% accuracy on advanced math, 74.9% on real coding tasks, and it's outperforming developers like you wouldn't believe. The smart model routing is also in place, which picks the right engine for you. Certain engines or types of models are going to be used for certain questions and queries to give you the best response. And ultimately, there's fewer errors, better context memory, and it's an integrated tool calling that turns into an actual business assistant. So what's the hype? This isn't just faster answers, it's a shift from asking AI for help to letting AI completely run the process for you. So if you've heard that ChatGPT can write code, you definitely have that right. You can literally describe what you want, build me a dashboard for my sales data, and ChatGPT-5 creates it. Front end, back end, logic, debugging, all done. These are things that typically developers spent hours and days on, and now they're done in mere minutes. Previously, this means hiring a dev team, like I talked about, waiting weeks, spending thousands, and now you describe it once and it gets it done quickly. In fact, in minutes. There's real-world examples such as this. An online store owner uses ChatGPT-5 to build custom inventory trackers in 2 hours, zero coding. I just ran a model through this the other day for a trucking business, and I had it output spreadsheets, I had it dissect the entire situation and give me details on how to grow the business within the next 5 months. And I'm talking this was super detailed. By the way, it matters how good the prompt is going in for the information to come out. That's a quick bonus to give you here as well. So what else is ChatGPT good at? It's this: supercharged business automation. ChatGPT-5 connects to other apps, searches the web, analyzes spreadsheets, writes documents, and coordinates tasks. Think of it like a project manager, a coder, a researcher, and a custom support rep rolled all into one person that does multiple tasks. And choosing the right version matters. Nano for quick tasks, mini, balanced speed and quality, and full, heavy intelligence for complex jobs. This is how you save money and get elite performance. So peep this: if you've ever wasted a week waiting on a contractor or an employee, where's my business owners at? Imagine compressing that into an afternoon or even an hour. Mind-blowing. So let's talk about some real business use cases. Customer service bots that remember the conversation history. People come in, they have conversations with them, and these bots ultimately remember those conversations. Why is it important? Whether you have a trail of emails or customer service reps that answer repetitive questions over and over and over again, all of this matters. What else? Internal tools coded instantly to fit your process. There's AI agents that can take multiple different platforms and SaaS companies and tools and put them all into one to get you massive savings on time. You can integrate tools like Zapier, Make.com, or many other tools, including ClickUp or Google Sheets or Google Docs. All of these can work together so that there's a chain reaction. When one thing happens, many downstream items happen in the process, ultimately saving you time, saving you effort, and they're doing it at a higher rate of efficiency as well. Then you have website traffic analysis with action steps to improve conversions. This is right up my field because it's SEO related and it deals with marketing, right? This is great because you can have AI review your website, your data, what pages are ranking, what aren't ranking. I mean, there's so much data you can load into it. It will tell you exactly what to do from an expert point of view. And then last, SEO optimized content, which is my favorite. I touched on it a minute ago, but you can delegate that to Claude if you want more of a human feel. And point being here, what I do in my businesses is actually use AI tools to write the scripts, to give me different sections of articles, and then we take those articles, run those through Claude, and then I actually have an editor go through and edit it to give it the human touch. That way it's not 100% AI, you actually have a human in there editing it, putting in some stories, putting in a little bit more emotion, and making it have that personal human feel to it. And guess what? Bonus point here and pro tip, AI is searching websites today like you wouldn't believe. That's where they're getting their information from. So long form content, detailed content, questions and answers asked by your customers and published on your website in the form of long form content, those will get you seen on AI. And guess what? I did a video that talks about this. I'll link somewhere on this video so that you can watch that because you don't want to miss out. Google is out the door. People are searching AI first now. So GPT-5 is the right tool for the right job. Any job, in fact. Well, except for manual labor like digging trenches. We're not there just yet. ChatGPT-5 crushes app creation. So anything online like app creation, development, SaaS, automation, tool building, it's immaculate for the most part. You definitely want to have it checked, and you want to make sure developers are coming in and they're checking as well. Because the last thing you want to do is put out some code that has bugs or errors in it, and now you're ass backwards and you're trying to fix things when you have wasted more time because you didn't have a developer look over it in the first place. Claude sometimes beats it for pure writing and tone. I like using Claude because Claude does great with the human touch and it gives a little bit more in depth on the writing, whereas ChatGPT is more formalized like a bot, in my opinion. So the pros know this: use ChatGPT-5 for building and logic, Claude for polishing long-form SEO, and that's how you win. And then bonus tip here, use AI agents to combine all of these, including video and other tools. And man, you have an entire business inside your business, or should I say a department inside your business that can run almost your entire company. So we already knew ChatGPT in general could debug and is multilingual, but how about this? ChatGPT-5 is way better at debugging and multilingual power. Not to mention can write code and debug code like you wouldn't believe. You paste broken code and GPT-5 fixes it, explains the issue, and completely cleans it up. It's like having a $40 to $150 an hour developer for free. Well, maybe a $20 subscription or $200 a month. You still can't beat that, right? 1 hour, 2 hours, you've already paid that amount. But I digress. And what else can it do? It handles multiple languages and brand voice for global support without hiring 10 new reps. This can literally run the company. With an AI agent, it's super powered, and you can have talking head videos that you don't even do yourself. Maybe the first one, and everything else is completely on autopilot. I said it like that for a specific reason. Therefore, you'd pay attention. Anyways, it's also great for scaling into new markets instantly. How so? You can prompt it with certain prompts to go in the new markets, coming from a customer angle, a new business angle, a new business opportunity. By the way, you have to tell it what it is. It doesn't know in general what type of lens to give you the information you're asking. So by prompting it initially up front the right way, you're going to unlock many different things that you wouldn't even see in the first place if you just went in and typed in something like you would in Google. So ChatGPT-5 also is great at data analysis, like a Fortune 500, an analyst at that. You upload CSVs or paste data, and GPT-5 finds trends, builds graphs, and recommends improvements on the fly like that. What used to take days and cost thousands is now instant. And how about this? If data is the new oil, ChatGPT-5, well, it's your personal refinery. So here's where it gets good. GPT-5 is all about advanced science, technical, and professional use. GPT-5 Pro scores 88.4% on PhD level science. That's insane. And for engineers, researchers, and technical founders, this is a must-have. In my business, I'm using this for certain engineering tasks, for certain architectural tasks, and to ask very, very complex questions that normally I would have to hire a lawyer, an architect, or an engineer for, and they would want a retainer of $5,000 to $10,000 just to ask the first set of questions regarding the project that we are on. And I'm doing it for free on ChatGPT. So what's the big picture here overall? Integration over perfection. GPT-5 will make a mistake. It's kind of human, right? Well, yeah, it's weird. That's a weird thing because it's not human, but it's human, but you get it. And that's fine. Perfection isn't the goal here. Let's say that you had an hour worth of work and there was a minor defect that only took about 5 minutes to fix. Well, guess what? Instead of paying the developer for an entire hour and then another hour to go back and fix it, well, yeah, you got an hour for free basically, and then you just paid for 5 minutes because they have to go back and fix it. You could do the math, but you get the point with this. You can't beat it, and no person right now can beat it with time and effort put into a project like you could if you just enlisted ChatGPT. So integration is the ultimate secret here. The businesses winning right now aren't just using GPT-5, they're literally building it into their daily workflow so it compounds over time, and you should too. So what's the action plan with all of this? You're like, Chris, just tell me what I need to do and I'll go do it. I get it. Well, let me answer your question with this. You need to start small. Emails, meeting summaries, quick marketing copy, and then level up. Build products, automate marketing funnels, replace repetitive tasks, ask it specific items on your ideal customer profile or certain marketing tactics or psychological triggers. Use it to your advantage. And then when you're familiar with it and you've used it enough times, get that feedback loop going, you go big. Integrate GPT-5 into your core business systems so it runs behind the scenes 24/7. Editor, go ahead and keep that in there as well. So those of you that are scared about AI and GPT coming for your jobs and you're freaking out, don't do that, right? That's a scary thing to do. You're gonna get left behind, and I will tell you right now that you're gonna wish that you ran the other way if you're running away from it. So AI is not coming for your job, it's coming for your workflow. The entrepreneurs who figure this out now are going to run circles around their competition for years to come. And I know because I'm already doing it with my systems and my businesses, and I know that my competition's not using it, at least to the level that I am. GPT-5 is no longer optional. And the only real question left is this: will you be the one using it to automate, scale, and dominate? Or will you be the one wondering how your competitors suddenly got so much faster? And I'll leave you with this. It is my famous quote. You could tell it's been a long day. There's people who watch things happen, there's people who make things happen, and there's people who wonder what the F happened. Don't be that last guy.